Hello, my friends, or should I say, YouTube friends. Not trying to be creepy, but I'm back, and you can tell my pretty face. I'm just kidding. I might not be. Y'all probably think I'm not pretty, but I believe in myself. So, yeah. Let's do this. Well, I don't know if y'all would know my friend from Florida. Her name is Katie Kilgore, and she's my friend, Katie. She told me a couple of days ago while she was at my house to do a burping competition and post it on YouTube and see if it's the world record. So, I'm gonna do it. But if it ain't the world record, I'm sorry, but I hope so. So, let's do this! You know how we do this, people! Ugh. This is how we do this! This song is hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do the world record with this. Ta-da! With this. Okay, anyways. Where were we? Oh. Here we are. Okay, let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and view. Hear me? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and view. Hope you like this video. Really hope so. Hold on. I'm back. Okay. Bam! What? Like I'm for living Maddie. Bam! What? Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like singing. Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you hear that? That was actually a burp. An actual burp that came out of my mouth. You stole it! Oh my god! That was the loudest burp ever! Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. Bye, guys. Hope you liked my video. Remember, please like, subscribe, and view. Bye, guys.